Okay, I'm recording. I just got a new dirt bike, so dang it. Okay, you ready to go, Dad? Dad? Dang it. Let's go that way, okay? Okay. So, I just got a new dirt bike, if you're wondering what it is. It's a KLX 140. Brand new. Literally just brought it home. It's pretty muddy because it rained all morning. My dad's gonna ride it back there, and then I'm gonna try and learn how to use the clutch and stuff like that. I'm really excited. To get it home, we had to rent a U-Haul like moving truck because we don't have a truck. So, oh Jesus, it's muddy. This is not great. I'm wearing my good shoes. Well, frick me. They're already covered in mud. God dang it. Okay, well, it's not as bad over here. Look at that. Look at that. We have to break in the 140, so.
You shut that one off.
Okay. My shoes are already covered. Okay. Hey, Dad, is it blinking? Is my GoPro blinking like red?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let me try this.
See if you can start out in second, maybe.
I just want to do first. How is first? How short is it?
It's short. We'll see if it'll take off in a second.
Okay.
I mean, it's kind of jumpy at first because it's so low.
Yeah. Well, same with this thing.
Take off in a second.
I'm super excited. Ugh.
Yeah, second will be easier to start.
Okay.
I mean, the power feels like that, just more.
Okay, so I pulled up to go into second?
I'll put you in second.
Yes. Okay.
Need a lot of gas.
Oh, I did it. Yay! Okay, that's third. Oh, dang, it's muddy over here. It's not as bad as I thought it would be to learn how to use a clutch. Okay, well, I haven't really learned yet. I'm just kind of... This thing's fun. That was bad. but this is the wet side of the frick. God dang it.
Did alright?
Yeah. Oh, bump. Oh, that wasn't that bad on this thing. Yeah, third. I shifted up twice. I'm in third. I love this thing already. Oh God, water. Learning how to use the clutch wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Honestly. Holy shit! Oh, God dang it, I just sweared. Oops, that just came out of my mouth. I think I'm in second gear. That was really deep. I just went through something like that deep unintentionally.
How's it feel to have?
Why does my bike just randomly start revving up?
It's brand new. It's gotta loosen up and everything else.
Yeah. Starting out in first gear is a lot easier.
Oh, try. Yeah, it won't bounce on it. How do you like the suspension?
It's really nice.
It's got suspension and brakes.
Yeah. I can't wait until this dries up. It's gonna be really good then. I'm already loving this bike. Crap. Once I get like the muscle memory down to use the clutch, I think I'll be good. You know what I mean? I'm out of things to talk about. Well, my shoes are gonna need one heck of a cleaning when I get back to the house. probably like covered in mud because really, I need to learn how to speak. My back is covered in mud because I felt it like. I think I'm gonna end this video once I go back to my dad real quick, because, well, I'm out of things to freaking talk about.